Welcome, students. Today we are in the next class regarding math. Actually, already your Suparna ma'am, she is proceeding according to syllabus of the science, and today I will revise this introduction chapter in mathematics, chapter 1. Counting things is easy for us now, but we can count object in large numbers. For example, that means sometimes somebody may ask you that what is the number of students, what is the strength of the students latest in your school, and represent through numerals. And we are generally telling 840, 766. These are called in number. When we are expressing, that is called numerals. We can also communicate large number using suitable number name. Number name means writing word. Suppose I am writing and I am showing you. Suppose somebody asked me regarding the strength of your strength of students in your school. Suppose 640. So this is in numeral, and if I write 640, FORTY, so this is called number name or writing word. It is not easy if we always knew how to convey large quantities in conversation or through symbol. Symbol means, you see, these are all most of the symbols used in mathematics. Positive, that means plus, or it can also be till add. Suppose I can tell you add 5 plus 4 plus 3, so then subtract, or negative 5 minus 2 minus 1, like this, it is called minus. Then I can tell also you divide 16 by 4. That means all these plus, then minus, plus, then minus, then division, then 5 multiplied by 4, that means this. Then suppose also this one equal to, then lesser than, greater than, then not equal to, then all these are you are applying in simplification. That means all these are the name of the brackets, curly bracket, then curve bracket, then braces. And this symbol is for absolute value bars. Then this one is the symbol of triangle, this one is the symbol of parallel lines, then this one is congruent to we are applying this symbol in the chapter, that means to prove congruency. Then these are the symbol of representing the line AB. Then AB, this is called segment. That means I have taken the piece from this line. If I take this much, 3 centimeters, so I have taken a piece, that is called segment. And whenever we are drawing sun, we are why we are drawing like this and doing like this, this is called ray. You know, rays are coming from the sun, so by this symbol we are representing the rays. But this success not for, and that means this success has not come within 100 years. It has taken thousands of years it has taken many thousands of years. People are trying, and first people knew only small numbers. Gradually, they learned how to handle large numbers. How to handle large numbers. That means, suppose I am telling the distance from sun to earth. That means a very large number. Then how to tell that number? That means gradually the periods, the people, all the efforts are due to the all the efforts are due to the human beings progression. So after gradually they have discovered the place value of these disease of a larger number, so that we can read very shortly like this: you need 10, 100,000, 10,000. Then in Indian system, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, like this. In international system, you need 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So like this I can read. You can also read now a big number, a large number. And it is, all these are due to the progression of the human beings. We use number and know many things about them. Number help us to count concrete object, and everywhere you see you have to use number. Suppose I am asking how far it is, you are telling it is 166 kilometer. So 166, if I will tell, then you can't understand. I have to add the unit, that means kilometer. I have traveled 166 kilometer. The distance between these two landmark is 166 kilometer. But before that, you see, before unit we are using the numbers. Maybe in long distance, there I can mention it in big number. In short distance, suppose from your house to school 5 kilometer, only 5 kilometer. Then first, second, these are the ordinals. That means how to arrange the number in order. This is called ordinals. Numbers are used in many different contexts and in many ways. Numbers I'm expressing in kilometer. If you go to the shop, you have to use this currency, that means rupees. If you want to count some objects, suppose there are 5 balls, so 5 balls. So what you will write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count it and write 5 in digit, and by the side of the 5 you have to write balls. When during sports we are telling 50-meter race, 400-meter race. Why? Because 400 I am writing in number, but by the side it is used for measuring the length. We are using meter, centimeter, kilometer, all these. And for counting objects, only count it and write whether this is mango or ball or marble, whatever may be. And in case of measuring liquid, we are writing that it is this bottle has the capacity of 1 then liter. Liter is the measurement of the liquid. And for measuring mass, we are using kilogram, gram, then centigram, all these, decagram, decigram. For measuring mass, for measuring distance, we are using meter, kilometer, etc., etc. For measuring liquid, we are using liter, milliliter, centiliter, like this. That is why it is written that uh, numbers are used in many different contexts and in many ways. You can write number, suppose rupees 5. So in what way I am writing this 5? Rupees 5. The distance from school to your home, 5. What I am writing? 5. But if anybody will ask you that what is the distance between your home and school, if you tell 5, then what it mean? It means just like a number or digit. But by the side of the 5, if you write kilometer, then only it will be clear that the distance between your home and the school is 5 kilometer. Suppose I am telling you how many 2 are in 14. How can, so is it is possible, as because 14 is a small number, but is it possible if I write like this? No, you have to, for pairing you have to divide it by 2. So what we are doing? Division. This is the symbol, and in word it is written as division. Now suppose I'm 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many times 4 has been repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can write 4 into 5. That means multiplication. It is the symbol of multiplication equal to 20. So regarding symbol, I think it is clear to you. We enjoyed working with numbers in your previous classes also. We have added, subtracted. You have already know the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We also look for pattern in number sequence and done many other interesting things with numbers. So by numbers we can do many type of funny things. So this chapter 1 is only with a bit of review and revision, only for the previous classes. Now in 4 also, in 5 also you have learned greater number, smaller number, then ascending, descending, etc, etc. In 4 also, in 3 also, gradually it is becoming a little bit harder. That means you are going little bit depth of this subject. Suppose I am writing you 92, 392, 4456, then 89742. You have done quite a lot in the earlier classes, but again I am doing revision. Again I am revision because to remember you only. Before starting more harder exercise, only I am doing revision with you. See, follow after me. This is 92. When you will read, you have to read from this side. 92, 392, 4456, then 89,742. How I am reading? For this, I have to know the place value. I have to know the place value. So when you are writing a number, you are writing like this, 392. From left to right. When we are writing a number, we are moving from left to right. But when we are reading the place value, we have to read from right to left. How I will read? See, this one is ones place, this one is tens place, this one is hundred place. So you see, 2 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place. That means it is, as we move from right to left, each digit will increase by 10 times. That means 9 is in tens place, so tens place. That means 9 into 10, 90. Then this is 100 place. That means again this 10 is multiplied by 10. That means gradually it is increasing in each periods by 10 times. So 3 is in 100 place. That means 3 this into this is 10 place, and it is increasing by 10 times equal to 300. You see, 3 is in 100 place. Suppose 4, you see I am writing the number 4, 4, 5, 6. That means left to right. the place value, I want to read the place value, I have to I have to move from right to left. That means ones, tens, then 100, then 1000. It is gradually. Why? Because you see, 6 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, then 4 is in 10 into 10. That means gradually increase by 10. Then 4 is in thousand place. That means 10 into 10 into 10. That means I can write in short, because from 100 place to 1000 place, when we will move, it increases by 10 times of 100 place. Then I can write like this: 400 into 10 equal to 4 is in 1000 place. So 10 has 1 0, 100 has 2 0, then 1000 has 3 0. And just like this one, I'm writing this number: 89742. Ones, tens, 100, then 1000, then 10,000, then 10,000, 10,000. So 2 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 7 is in 100 place, then 9 is in 1000 place, 1030, then 8 is in 10,000 place, 10,000 place. You see, gradually it is increased by 10 times. 10 tens are 100, then 100 tens are 1000, then 1000 tens are 10,000, 1000 tens are 10,000, 10, then 1000. You see, gradually it is increasing by 10 times as we move from right to left. I think it is clear to you. Again, I am giving one example. You go on solving with me in your copy. 1902, then 1920, then 9201, then 9210. See, all these number are 4-digit number. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. But here you see, here 1 2, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4 5. So gradually you see the number of digits are increasing. So from this I can I can choose the greatest number. You see which one is the greatest number? The number which contains more digits. So you see 1 2 3 4 5. This one has, this number has 5 digits. So this is the greatest number. Greatest number by counting the number of digits. And you see this number 92 has 2 digits. So this one is the smallest number. So by counting digits, you have to choose which one is greatest and which one is smallest. Here you see all the numbers are 4 digits. Then you have to see that which number is in thousand place. You ones, tens, 100,000, ones, tens, 100,000, ones, tens, 100,000, ones, 10, 100,000. So one is in first number. This one is in thousand place, 1 is in thousand place, 9 is in thousand place, and here 9 is in thousand place. So you have to compare between these two, because you see in both the number 9 is in thousand place. So it is in comparison with these two numbers are greater. Now greatest number, that means in between two you have to compare. So 9210, 9210, both are same. So this 9210 is the greatest number, and the smallest number you see 1902, 1920. So 1 and 1 it is in thousand place, then 9 and 9 it is in 100 place, then the next number you see in tens place, here is 0 and here is 2. So naturally 1902 and 1920, this one is the smallest number in comparison to other numbers, smallest number. And one thing you see, if there is no number in the period, that space should be filled up by 0. That space should be filled up by 0. Suppose I'm writing ones, tens, hundred, then thousand, then 10,000, then lakh, then 10, then 10 lakh, 10 lakh. This number I am writing, this one. Yes, 1902. So you see 1902. One will be below 1000 place, then 900, then there is no digit below tens place, and 2 is in ones place. Then we can't write this, we can't leave this space below tens gap. We can this place will not lying vacant, it should be filled up by 0. Actually 0 has no value, that is why it is called shunya. But 0 has value when you write in between the numbers. You see 1, 9 and 2. Then which number should be right over here? We have to fill up this gap below 10 by 0. Then does this 0 has the value, 0 is in tens place. But in simply if you give 0, you know already you are acquainted with this 0, because you have suppose one answer is asked for one answer and you have written another answer, so you will get a big rasgulla. Next, now comparing of numbers, greatest number and smallest number, you please you have in the previous classes you have practiced a lot. I think you can try this. Try this will be your homework. Try this, you will be your homework. Now how we have compared, that is also I have discussed with you. Suppose the again I am doing one example. 4 5 3 6 4 8 4 8 9 2, then 4 3 7 0, then 4 4 5 2. Find the greatest. See here, find the greatest and the smallest. Which one will be the greatest? First count the number of digits. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So all the numbers carrying 4 digits, that means up to 1000 place. Now you check the next, that means 100 place digit. Here is 5, here is 8, here is 3, here is 4. 100 place, 100 place. You have to check 100 place. So this one, you see, 8 is greater than 5, 8 is greater than 3, 8 is greater than 4. So this 4892 is the greatest number. Greatest number. Then which one is the smallest? All are 4-digit number. So smallest you see all in 1000 place, all are beginning with 4. So next 5, 8, 3, 4. So 3 is smallest among all. So I can write 4370. So in 100 place, if you compare with other numbers, you see 5, 8, 3, 4. So 3 is smallest. So now you can compare. I think you are following also me. 4370 is the smallest of EST, because there are not the comparison between two, there are 4 numbers, so it will be superlative degree, smallest of all numbers. I think it is clear. Now how many numbers can you make? Suppose I have given the digits 7, 8, 3, 5. But you can't repeat. You can't write like this. Only you can use single time. So 7, 8, 3, 5. First I first write by the the most greatest number. So it should be start with 8, 7, 5, 3. Number 1. Then 7, 8, 5, 3. Then 5, 7, 8, 3. Then 3, 5, 7, 8. I have not repeated. You see, by single times I have repeated. All these are the numbers. Now from this, which one is the greatest? This one is the greatest and this one is the smallest. Because 1000 place, this one is 8, that and rest are 7, 5, 3. So 8 is the greatest among all. And that is why this one is the greatest number. And you see the 1000 place here is 3. So it is the smallest number. Try this. This will be your homework. If you can't, so make it 1 point. So next day you will ask me. The sums which you can't solve, don't take help from your parents or tutor. You please directly ask me. You are free to ask your doubt. I can solve you. Now, who is the tallest? You see, height has been given in centimeter. 160, 154, 158, 159. So all the numbers in 100 place, ones, tens, 100. In 100 place, 1. So I have to see the next number, that means tens place 6, 5, 5, 9. So this one, you see, 160 centimeter, 154 centimeter, 158 centimeter and 159 centimeter. So I think you can understand that who is the tallest? Ram Hari. Ram Hari is the tallest of these three, as because 160 centimeter you have to write, because measuring length you have to write centimeter, otherwise it will be useless to mention the height. And if you tell what is your height, if you tell and give the answer 160, then you are wrong. You have to write the unit. Then 154, 158, 158 and 159. 3 digit. That means all have digit up to 100 place. So you see 100 place, all the numbers are 1. So next, that means tens place 6, 5, 5, 5. So 6 is the greatest of 3 of all. So 160 centimeter, the height of the boy Ram Hari. So Ram Hari is the tallest of all. Then 154, 158, 154, 158 and 159. So you see tens, rest 3, you see tens place, all these length are 5, 5, 5, 5. So you have to now consider the digit below the ones place. So you see Dolly, ones place 4, in Mohan ones place is 8, and in Shashi ones place is 9. So next tallest is 159 centimeter, because you see Shashi, next is Shashi. In Shashi, 9 is in unit place, 8 is in unit place and 4 is in unit place. So if you consider these three, 159 is the tallest of these three. Now next, 154, 158. Now 4 is in unit place, 8 is in unit place. So naturally you will consider that 158, that means Mohan is the next tallest. Then Dolly, 154, 4 is in unit place, it is smaller than all. That is why Dolly is the smallest of all. This will be the answer. Dolly is the smallest of all. Now here you see the price of Almira has been given. 4 digit, that means 1000. That means 2000. Read from this side. You see, I'm writing. Writing 2635, and it is in rupees because price always written in rupees. Then rupees 1897. Then this one is 2854. Then next one is 1788. Then next one is 3975. Now, can you tell me which Almira cost more? That means all are, you see, 4 digits. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and then 8 8 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Then in thousand place I have to compare. You have to compare 1 2 1 3. So this is the costliest of all. This is the costliest of all. Then 1 2 1. Then next is this one is second costliest. Then third and fourth, you see, in thousand place 1 and 1. So you have to see the digit below 100 place 8 and 7. So naturally 8 is greater than 7. So this one is third costliest. Then this one last. I think it is clear to you. Try this. Page number 5. This one you try to solve at home. You see, if there is any unsolved sum, you will ask in the next class. Now, shifting of digits. You see, suppose I have written 100, I have written 182. By shifting, suppose I am drawing like this. So if I shift first one and third one, ones, tens, 100, 182. If I shift ones place digit into 100 place, what will happen? 2 and 1 will go over here, ones place, then 8. You see, only by interchanging the digit as per the place value, the value changes. This one original number given 182. If I change the tiles of the number first one and third one, you see, this will be the value. This will be the value. 1 is in first tile and 2 is in third tile. So if I interchange, then the value will also change. Now another. So by exchanging first tiles and third tiles, we are getting first one is actual number is 182. By exchanging 100 place and ones place, this is the value. Now, you know, suppose counting numbers. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Counting numbers or natural number. From if you start from 1 and go on counting, it is called natural number or counting numbers. And next is 10. This is 2. You see 1 2, that is 2 digit. 10 is 2 digit number. 2 digit number. So up to 9 it is single digit, and 9 is the greatest single digit number. Then all the greatest numbers are 99. That means 2 digit 99, 3 digit 999. If you add 1, this is single digit greatest number. If you add 1, you will get 10. That means 1, then it will be smallest 2 digit number. Smallest 2 digits number. If you add 1, this is 2 digit, and by adding 1 you will get 3. 1 2 3. So you will get smallest 3 digit number. So up to this, actually time is over, and your another subject teacher is waiting. I think up to this it is clear to you, and you try to practice at home up to page number 5. Up to page number 5. No need to proceed further. So next day, you please clear your doubt. You are free to ask your doubt. Thank you, students.